guys, welcome back to my channel, and just wanted to show you guys a problem that you could have with your garbage disposal. If you come here and you turn on your garbage disposal, you're hearing that humming, but it's not really working. That means it's stuck here, and you could use this. See this? So it definitely cut off. But you could use this. This is I just got this from Home Depot. It is the jam buster wrench. It's for your garbage disposal. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna come under your sink, and under your sink right below here, there's gonna be a groove. You could feel it. I'm not sure if you guys could see it from here, but below this garbage disposal, there's a little way where you could push this under here, and then you could turn this. So this actually fits in here, and you'll hear if there is anything in that sink. So I'm about to do this right now. So I have it here. You can see it's tight. You could hear. So you actually just freeing it up. So all I'm doing is freeing it up because. So yes, guys, as I was saying with the garbage disposal, in here, below here, there is this little groove, and you're gonna take this and just turn it around, and once you get it and you sit in the groove here, you see it's really easy. You can actually feel for it here. And that's how you fix a garbage disposal. So once you get this in here, there's this groove under here. You're gonna move this, and then once I come back and I turn it on, you see, garbage disposal is working again. And that could happen if you got things stuck in there. So if you have a garbage disposal, you may want to get one of these, and this is a simple, easy way to fix your garbage disposal. Anyway guys, thank you for watching the video. Please comment and subscribe.